Hello everyone, myself Shinde Mohini Kisan, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirajgarh. Today I am going to explain cultivation practices of leafy vegetable fenugreek, also called as a methi. Botanical name of methi, Trigonella phaenomgressum, family Fabaceae. Plant part used seed as well as leaf. We can use both seed and leaves. Leaves for vegetable purpose, seeds are used in spices. The Latin name for fenugreek, Trigonella, means triangle shaped pale yellow flower, and phaenomgrassum means Greek hay. That is the meaning of a Trigonella phaenomgrassum. Habitat: indigenous to the countries on the eastern shores of the Mediterranean, cultivated in India, Africa, Egypt, Morocco, and occasionally in England. This is about general introduction. Botanical name, its family, habitat, plant part use. The next, introduction. It is one of the most common vegetables grown throughout the country. Fenugreek is a most common vegetables grown throughout the country. Fenugreek is leguminous annual plant that grows to around 60 cm tall. It can be grown in a height 60 cm tall. The leaves are similar to clover in a shape. The shape of leaves are similar to clover. Flowers are pea-shaped and yellow or white appear in the leaf axil. Flowers appearance is a pea-shaped, yellow or white, and appear in a leaf axil. Like other legumes, the seeds are held in a pod. Fenugreek pods are thin and crescent shaped. The light brown seed harvested from the dried pod has a strong curry flavor. The light brown seed harvested from a dried pod of a fenugreek. Then about soil and climatic requirement for a fenugreek. Good soil of medium texture is required. Tolerated pH range is 5.3 to 8.2. Means pH ranges from 5.3 to 8.2. Prepare soil by adding plenty of composted organic material. We can apply the composted organic material. Add a ration of lime if the soil is acid. If the soil is acidic, we can add the lime. A sunny, well-drained position and adequate water is required. Seed is sown in situ in a spring season. About soil and climatic condition, it can be grown in a medium texture soil, tolerate pH range 5.3 to 8.2. If the soil is acidic, add a lime. And about climate, it requires sunny and adequate water. Then season and month. It can be grown in plains throughout the year. Mostly Rabi season good for the cultivation of fenugreek. Rainy season June, July. Winter season September, October. It's about season and month. Then varieties. Fenugreek is a leguminous plant and the improved varieties are followed. First one, Kasuri selection. Production gets starts in 2 months. Second, Pusa early bunching. It develops earlier for seed production after 125 days. This both developed by ICAR, Pusa, New Delhi. Indian Council Agriculture Education Research, Pusa, New Delhi developed 2 varieties, Kasuri selection and Pusa early. In Maharashtra, fenugreek number 47, most cultivated variety. In Maharashtra, which one variety most cultivated? That is the fenugreek number 47 variety is most cultivated variety in Maharashtra. And the ICAR developed by 2 varieties, Kasuri selection and Pusa early. Then methods of cultivation. Broadcasting. Direct seed of fenugreek under good condition is recommended in a medium black soil, well drained. Thin broadcasting is more applicable for it. Broadcasting means scattering of a seed by hand on a field. It is called as broadcasting. Seed rate 25 to 30 kg per hectare. Then land preparation. Fenugreek requires well drained soil. It cultivated in a flat bed. This should be in a size 3 into 2 meter. Elongated flat bed also prepared for it. Flat beds are also prepared, size 3 into 2 meters. Then planting or sowing. Fenugreek cultivated by broadcasting in a flat bed, 20 to 25 centimeter distance in a line. Then intercultural operations followed in a methi. First one, weeding. Weeding is the process of eliminating competition of unwanted plants to the regular crop in respect to nutrition and moisture. Weed is the unwanted plants and which compared to the main plant, for example for nutrition, for moisture, for sunlight, so that crops can be grown profitably. If we remove the weed, the crops can be grown profitably. It also facilitates other operations like irrigation and fertilizer applications. The advantages of weeding are conservation of soil moisture, reduced competition for nutrient, sunlight, space and water. Then water management. One has to irrigate fenugreek during Rabi and summer season. During all season, 4 to 6 days interval are required. Giving irrigation to the fenugreek 4 to 6 days interval. The irrigation system must ensure uniform distribution and no wastage of water. Fenugreek can be irrigated by surface irrigation system. For fenugreek, the surface irrigation system are used for watering. Surface irrigation system, water is directly applied to the surface of the soil and is spread by gravity. In a surface irrigation system, water is directly applied to the surface of the soil and it spread by gravity. There are several methods: flooding from ditch, check basin, ring basin, border strip and furrow methods of irrigation. But the surface irrigation system are used for a widely fenugreek. Then fertilizer management. Organic fertilizers, 20 ton per hectare well rotten FIM or compost should be incorporated at the time of land preparation. At the time of land preparation, we can apply 20 ton per hectare FIM or compost. Then chemical fertilizers, top dressing. Top dressing means giving fertilizer to the standing crop. For good quality of fenugreek leaves, nitrogen plays a vital role. 20 kg of nitrogen per hectare at a starting, 20 kg of nitrogen per hectare after 50 days weeding. After broadcasting of seeds in third week, spraying of urea 150 gram per 10 liter of water for better production of a fenugreek. This is about fertilizer management. Then applications method. Fertilizers are applied in several ways. Basal dressing are those fertilizers which are incorporated in soil just before sowing or planting. Then next, crop protection, pest management. Aphids, leaf miner are major pest infesting fenugreek. Aphids are black color and infested the tip of leaf and sucking up green leaves. To spray, diamethod 0.03%, cypermethylene 0.02%. Then harvesting and post-harvest processing. Method of harvesting: take out whole plants for fresh use in salads when they are about 5 cm, means 2 inches high, cut off the roots. In a method of harvesting, whole plants are uprooted about 5 cm or 2 inches. Main product yield, depending on the variety and the season, it produces 7 to 8 ton of per hectare. Post-harvest processing. After harvesting of fenugreek, it is bounded in a judi and packed in cloth or netted bags or put in a bamboo basket. After harvesting, fenugreek are bounded in a judi, also called as a judi. It is packed in a cloth, otherwise net bag or bamboo basket. After the seeds have matured, uproot the plants and hang to dry. If we want seed production, then harvest the plants when they are dry. The seeds are mature, uproot the plant and hang to dry. When seeds are completely dry, thresh and separate them. Grind seeds if required. Store whole dried seeds or ground fenugreek powder in airtight container. Fenugreek has sold for distant as well as for local market. We can use the fenugreek seed or fenugreek leaves. Harvesting the freshly leaves and seed. It's all about cultivation practices of a fenugreek. Thank you.